Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If many of the pan beaten can see, but on the screen, we have a whole lot to deal with in this one, my people. So it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with one dolly named TC because you know, say, she done gone viral yesterday, you know. Yeah, and that was mainly because of me, because you don't know the thing said. As being the messenger, people send me all type of things. And we just put out. So as you can see, she's, consoling her, her boyfriend. Saying, when you never send the money for the pampers, no, the baby mother can't tell the world about the picnic where you never know you have. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because she actually tagged, her homegirl that you see aside of you. You see me? Because like I said, some people sent, this in front of you that you see, people that say, my baby daddy, all of them things, but the friends say, this is fake, the page is stealing my friend pictures and, claiming that them, what I mean? I know the real person in the photos and that is not her, and these are the real pages that they sent and all of these things. What I mean? I know people is saying that Rosley and our enablers them did this to bring down TC. You know what I mean? As you see in front of you right here, because, this move was done, I think, to like Donya or one of them and things and things. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But I just wanted to let you know what go on for that to go on. Because that's what the dolly them did want. You see, I mean, they go make it go viral. But anyway, people, let us proceed to the next bagger mix up, you see me? No, everybody is saying the real reason Rosalie wants to move out of her mother's house is because she did take our mother man in life one time, and his name is Jakes. You see my sake, and Jakes just in other house deliver raw wire to everybody, mama, daughter, all type of things. So now that she have her husband Akeem, she don't want the same thing. Him go and use the bathroom and boom, him walk out her mama room. So that is the real reason she talk about disowning our youth them, people putting at the comment section where you think about that now. And Jakes is throwing major shade towards, who way, Diamond, the apps way. And Akeem, cause said them the far run a station. With the dude who Guinness bucket for go bail her roach, So right now, him and Ivani talk up the things them, So let's hear what I go on and proceed with the next.
Triple.
Come up here for reason with the people then.
At the best filter this for use on your drive.
See, really far for reason with the people then. Let them know what's going on. If you just show Brandon, just load them at them talk. And people could have feel like say, yo, me allow certain things to happen and all them things. You know what I mean? Them never say I'm afraid for talking, them say me allow it.
No, me allow them for getting gifts, because them are kids, right? And if you see where you can buy them gifts and whatever, yeah, buy them. It's Christmas. You have even strangers give people gifts, that's fine. But as far as for both, you're going to why need for dress up him? The kids them have a father. And I like you want what this pooper where you dash where you picnic them and left them for a rose alone. Yes, the father is there. It's just that we not can't agree, but the father is there. I ain't not disown them. So where it come in place for him want in a couple in a picture for.
I see me and this look punk, yeah. Come link up, come link up, come look for you. 2 more flowers, sir. 1 more. Come look for you. And you have to click your live and come out of the house with your live. You there put your phone there and see the chat up in them town. Up in them town. What do you mean by? I don't understand. You have to talk something.
Who's that, sir?
Shit up. So when time the arms house go down with she and her mother now. When the arms house go down with she and her mother and Guinness bucket come on her station and shit up come on then. In find out say he not really good in our town.
Man, then kill your jokes.
I have to stay inside like where I'm normally stay, man. I have to stay inside.
Rosalie, for God say you should do it. If I have some man, them broke up our blood clot. If I did some other man, them mash her up.
Guinness Bucket get a warm welcome to you know. Then welcome Guinness Bucket.
I see her on screen recording, so me I try to make me and her in things. And people who she like, she not cuss. I wonder if they know say me a girl, me not afraid nobody pan up. If me did want to cuss her a long time, I cuss her. I just the truth. Every time you tell somebody the truth, then think you want to cuss them. Or yarn them out for me. What me out would I meet for? Me out can't meet.
And a Guinness Bucket she use.
Why me out would I meet now? You not do me nothing. Me not do you nothing. But the truth is just the truth. You can't say you can't say you don't respect the fact say she stabbed her mother and it wrong. But you fly in a car if you go bail her. If the mother never press charge, you would have bail her. So that come like that tab for your mama too. Or you don't upload with something with somebody do, but you're quick for run go bail them for something. Yeah, are you know? Let's see how mad people them. Okay, let's see how mad people them. Yes, so you would do it, and oh yes, you're wrong. But you run for go bail somebody will stop their mother. But you're wrong. So how do you tell somebody that they're wrong? So when she stop her now, you go bail her. You go home now and say, oh, you did wrong for stop your mother, you know. And when she stab her again, you go bail her and tell her again. What a difference.
So Guinness Bucket come off for you. One reason why anybody can walk come off for you, the Varney. One reason why them can walk come at you.
They can't come out, but just like for them, you know.
I just try I'm a woman now.
Like they feel like so they can come to me and get away. But just now go disrespect nobody first when me like, and there's no need to disrespect. That's different when you are this somebody than when you tell somebody the truth. Oh, them take it now and react for you, react back. You understand? But it's just nothing but the truth. Pushing it on the eyes.
I'm not gonna tell you the truth. You go and like say you want to cuss me and tell me like say let me not tell you the truth. You go like you want to chase me and just me and tell you the truth. I'm gonna cut you off. Not because I can buy the world, you can buy the world, you can buy the world. You go like want. You understand? Yeah. So I'm gonna make you know the truth as a friend. You understand? As a friend when I have it and you have it, I'm gonna make you know so you are the wrong. And you go like say no one to the right. They cut you off if I dead for hungry. That's so. I feel like some manipulation thing I go on this now. You only want to talk to me, I'm not going to talk to you. Just so you have it. You see it. So like when you drive a GLE, you know, I must have Varney, take time drive the GLE. Because I can't go like some love it to your ear. We just come out of it. Yes?
Yeah, now come out and go on.
People putting in the comment section where you think about that. I'm not gonna lie, my people. It's just a sad situation over in a sea view, you know, because you know the mother head. Yeah, and you know, say a little bit of that fall upon Rosley, you know, so you don't know the thing set. The pop balance so the thing in a Rosley, you know. But that's still madness over there, so you see me. You know what I mean? So not condoning putting hands on people and them things there. But it's just a sad situation because it don't really look like nobody on the sense over there, you know, because if me was Rosley, I have the mama and Jake's pan the apps at work, and me I collect them check, you see me? And I give them a allowance out of it, you side. Got 12 years worth of bag on this, you see me? I say. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, it's a form of reparation in my eyes, you know. But she didn't go down that road there. And, you know, she end up have people, you know, I use her as well, you see me? And that's why I say it's madness because she's, you know, sensible enough to see, you know, the people is going to be using, you know, her peeps like Jake's and her moms. But she knows say Akeem and Fiend Mama, I use her out, you know. But nevertheless, I'm just giving them quick updates in the day. You know, I'm going to be giving you updates later. So do the right thing if you haven't done so already and subscribe and hit the notification bell to my channel to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.